Hey y'all! Today I am making avocado toast. I love this recipe because it doesn't require much cooking or prepping, and you can enjoy it at any time of the day. Here are two of my versions of avocado toast, and these are my ingredients. First is a bread of your choice. You want to choose a sturdy, thick slice, whole grain type of bread. I love sourdough personally, but you can use grain wheat, different types of rye, or my all-time favorites are fresh ciabatta or Ezekiel bread if you're gluten-free. Then, choose an avocado that is just ripe enough. I like to get either Hass avocado or mini avocado because I find that portion size to be better for me. Generally, avocados that are dark purple in color and feel slightly soft when you press on it means that it's ripe. For my protein, I'm using smoked salmon, but you can use any protein of your choice such as chicken, pork, steak, turkey, or even plant-based meat substitute that is cooked to your liking. For my fresh ingredients, I'm using heirloom tomatoes, radish, jalapeno, and red onion for bolder flavor. I'm also adding lemon, dill, and a microgreen for my greens. For my sauce, I'm using olive oil, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and red chili pepper flakes. Last, for my toppings, which are optional, I have fried shallots, smoked salt, or furikake, which is made of combination of dried seaweed, sesame seed, dried shrimp, dehydrated green onion, and salt seasoning. If you don't have any of these, you can just add some salt and pepper, but I highly recommend investing in fresh, coarse salt or smoked salt, which will add depth of flavor and texture. The first step is making my sauce mixture of lemon zest, lemon juice, red chili pepper flakes, and olive oil. Then set it aside. Second step is chopping up my fresh ingredients: heirloom tomatoes, radish, lemon, jalapeno, and red onion. Third step is to ready my avocados. You can tell it's ready when it is slightly soft when you press on it. For one of the recipe, I am going to slice my avocados. And for my second recipe, I am going to smush my avocados. Pro tip is to use the avocado shell as a container to smush it to your liking. Less bowls, less dishes for later. So once the prepping is done, now I'm ready to toast my bread. I choose the right amount of browning for my bread. You want it to be a little sturdy so it can handle the weight of the ingredients on top. Hence, the denser and thicker the bread, the better. After the bread is finished toasting, I am now ready to put my ingredients on top. For my first toast, I'm putting a spread of mayonnaise, sliced avocado, salmon, sliced onion, sliced jalapenos, and then the mixture sauce that I made earlier. Then I top it off with dill, smoked salt, and fresh ground pepper. For my second toast, I'm putting my mushed avocado, salmon, sliced radish, sliced heirloom tomatoes, then the mixture sauce that I made earlier. Then I top it off with my special furikake seasoning. Thank you guys for following my avocado toast recipe. It's super easy, and you can change a lot of the ingredients to your personal taste. Enjoy and eat with love.